Hey guys, welcome back. In my last video, I showed you how I washed the messy poop plate and cleaned the food box. Today, I am finally putting the food back in and fixing it to the cage. It sounds simple, but it's actually pretty stressful. I'm actually really scared to open this cage door, but my biggest fear is that this bird might fly away just like the first one. I really don't want that to happen. And look at this. Yesterday, I gave this moody bird a strawberry and he just threw it on the floor. I am going to pick it up and put it on the wall outside for the neighborhood birds. No wasting food here. Okay, time for the hard part. I am being so careful while fixing this box. Guys, look at me struggle. I have placed it inside the cage and now I have to snap it back onto the wires just like how we took it off. I have to stick the one side first and then the second. So watch me struggling a little bit. I'm just getting it closer to the wall of the cage so that I can easily stick to the cage wall. Look, it's just happened. I ordered seeds and bread in some sorting, but now they are all messed up. It's okay. Now I'm just carefully opening the door and look at how he is just running and flying everywhere on the cage. Look, when I just start to open the door, he is just flying around the door. Okay, let's see if we have do this or not. Look, finally, now we have to stick. I can easily hold that wire easily, so I'm just moving it a little bit with my fingers in the cage. I have to fix it again, opening the door and now moving it to the next. That's how it is. Yeah, that's it. Good to go. Look at it. He's just sitting, he don't care at all. So we have to fix it a little bit. I just moved it 2 wires after one. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to place it in the center so he can easily eat it. Look how difficult is that. I didn't think so that it is so easy to do, but look at this food, seeds, some sunflower seeds and some other seeds with bread. Pew, after so much struggle, it's finally fixed. Now let's see if he's actually liked the food after all that hard work. And oh my god, guys, look, our cute little bird loves it. He started eating right away. I guess the seeds and tiny pieces of roti were actually what he wanted. He looks so happy now. While he's busy eating, let me check his water. It is dirty? No, it's look perfectly fine. I changed it early this morning, so we don't need to worry about that. Food and water are both ready, so he can enjoy the food and the water if he wanted to. Now he's playing in his cage. He's eating and he's playing, whatever he's doing. Now for the most important part, closing the doors. My heart has been beating so fast because the door was open while whole time. Let's lock it up. Closing the first side, and now after that we are moving to the second. Side. There we go. It's finally locked, and now he can't go anywhere. I can finally breathe, a sign of relief. So guys, mission accomplished. My bird is happy, the cage is locked, and I am safe. That's all for today. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye. That's it for today. Enjoy the little moments of this lovebird.